Manual mistakes cost money. It's time for a change. Meet RIB3D, fully digital rebar measurement system with carbon emission tracking technology, now powered by artificial intelligence. Place your sample, select rebar type, and click Scan to analyze. Harness the power and unmatched precision of fully digital 3D measurement. Stop losing revenue to scrap and miscalculations. Optimize your inventory with data-driven accuracy. Eliminate manual errors and reduce estimation time by 90% with computer vision precision. Automated length and mass detection ensures the highest stability in kilogram per meter measurement performance. Select your standard and generate a full report with single click. For the first time in the industry, we are introducing AI to rebar measurement. Leverage AI-powered process control to track rebar geometry in real time. Gain total visibility into your production by diameter, batch, and cast, with seamless data integration across individual rod telemetry and long-term weekly performance trends. Pinpoint and track the exact source of geometry defects across all variables within a single, unified visualization. Easily track and visualize how different production settings impact every single rebar parameter. Visualize the data that matters. RIB3D tracks the direct relationship between your production shifts, rebar specs, and carbon footprint. RIB3D delivers comprehensive reports with actionable AI production and carbon scores, driving greener, more efficient manufacturing. RIB3D, intelligent metrology for a sustainable future.